How to make a video call on Facebook. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Over here, you can view all your chats with friends on Facebook. Open any chat from here. If you want to call this person on Messenger, then go to top right corner and tap on the call icon as shown. And if you want a video call instead, then tap on the video call icon beside it. This is the video call screen. You can turn on the speaker or mute from the bottom panel. If you want to add more people to the call, tap on the add icon at the top. Now, choose the people you want to add and tap on call. Tap on the red call button to end the call. Following these steps, you can easily make a video call on Facebook.